Why do embarrassing moments have such a big lifespan in your memories? You might have noticed this a lot. You can forget passwords, birthdays, entire chapters of your life, but not that awkward moment in 2016 when you tried to shake hands with someone who was reaching out to shake hands with someone else. Your brain just keeps replaying that moment, almost like it's on a loop. It's like there's some unwritten contract in your head that says, we're bringing this up every 6 months, 2 years, 5 years, and it just does it randomly. The reason for this is that your brain can be super dramatic, giving way too much importance to small, everyday stuff, especially in social situations. Thousands of years ago, social rejection wasn't awkward. It was fatal. If the tribe didn't like you, congratulations, you might have to face starvation. So your brain learned a rule. Social mistakes equals danger. Fast forward to today. You mispronounce a word in a meeting. No one reacts, life goes on. But your brain still has that setting built in, triggering a red alert. This is it. We are being exiled. Meanwhile, everyone else forgot it in 4 seconds because they were busy worrying about their own stupidity. That's the unfair part. You replay your embarrassment in 4K Ultra HD. Other people remember it in potato quality, if at all. And embarrassment sticks because it has friction. Good moments slide past you. Bad moments leave a scar that pops up every now and then just to remind you they're still there. You can give a flawless presentation for 20 minutes, but that one voice crack on one word is the only thing you remember. Your brain doesn't archive happiness. It archives interruptions, because interruptions feel unfinished. Your brain keeps going, okay, but what if we had said something cooler? What if we had vanished? What if we simply never existed again? And at night, when you're trying to sleep, your brain's like, hey, remember that thing? No? Cool, here it is again. The funniest part, you think people are judging you. They're not. They're busy replaying their own moment like, why did I laugh like that? Why did I send that message? Why am I like this? Everyone is the main character in their own embarrassment movie. You're just a background extra who walked through the shot. So no, your brain isn't trying to ruin your life. It's trying to protect you, using software designed for cavemen. You didn't almost die. You didn't get exiled. You were just human. And if your worst memory is awkward instead of empty, that means you showed up, you took a chance, and you put yourself out there, which is honestly better than playing it safe and being forgettable.